Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Co. Today we just fitted another S series on a VW Amarok 2024. So how the system works: when the customer leaves the vehicle, if he zaps it, the system will give us a soft chirp, the mirrors will fold and the system will become armed. When he comes back, he zaps it, 2 chirps, jumps in the vehicle. As he jumps in the vehicle, as soon as he starts the vehicle, the system will be immobilised, as you can see through the app. So if someone wants to grab this key, jump in and put it into gear, if you watch carefully, as soon as I put it into gear, the vehicle shuts down. Okay, really simple and really straightforward. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, let's just show you again. I'm going to start it. This time I'm going to put it in reverse and the vehicle shuts down again. Okay, so let's just start the vehicle one final time. I'm actually going to insert the code, so if you watch carefully, 1, 2, 3, there's our LED, there's our authorization, and now we're able to put it into gear and drive it away. Okay, really simple and really straightforward. Okay, so now I'm going to show you if the vehicle was to be attacked. So say for example I locked it, I'm going to wait for it to set now. As you can see, the system is armed, we can see here, and I'm going to apply a force. So just keep watching. I'm going to apply a force, so if anyone opens the doors, the bonnet, the boot, the alarm will trigger. So let's just trigger it. There you go. If I open the door, there you go. So let's just disarm it. Okay, and obviously it can start to call us. Also on here, the customer was super paranoid about the back, so we fitted this sensor at the back. So if you just watch carefully, I'm going to run to the back now and I'm going to... So now also on this Amarok, I'm going to show you, obviously your tools are super important. So I've locked it, I'm going to wait for it to set. I'm going to show you what happens if someone was to actually open the back here. It takes about a minute to set. So let's just try it now and see, it might be set. Okay, let's just open it. There you go, there's our PIR going off, okay? So it's really simple. As you see in the corner, we fitted a PIR, so if someone obviously attacks the back, it's going to go off.